Hello everyone, today I am going to present my final project, a comparative study of Japan Shinkansen and Taiwan High-Speed Rail. This is for our course, English for Transportation and Logistics. My name is Jin Yuexian. Let's begin. Moving on to slide 2, here is a brief introduction about myself. I chose to study high-speed rail because it is a game-changing system that shrinks geographical gaps and defines efficient mass transit. I am deeply inspired by how Taiwan high-speed rail transformed daily commuting into a seamless one-day living circle. On slide 3, I would like to share my AI assist workflow for this project. I collaborate with Gemini AI to generate the initial structure outline and refine the professional English processing for my presentation script. After that, I conduct thorough manual editing to ensure that all transportation and logistic terminology was used correctly and to verify the local operational data for the HR. Let's look at slide 4 for a global overview of high-speed rail system. High-speed rail or HSR is a specialist logistics system designed for mass mobility at speed exceeding 250 km per hour. It effectively bridges the gap between traditional rail and air travel, offering a faster, greener, and more reliable choice for intercity connectivity. On slide 5, we look at the core characteristic regarding service and target user. The key service feature of ISR are to provide high frequency departure and world-class punctuality, ensuring safe and reliable transit. The primary target user are time-sensitive business travel, long-distance daily commuters, and domestic tourists. Moving to slide 6, let's look at the core engineering and operation of Taiwan High-Speed Rail. First, it uses distributed power through electric multiple unit transit, specifically the 700T for the faster acceleration and less track wear. Second, it is equipped with an advanced ATZ system to monitor speed in real time. Lastly, it integrates disaster mitigation technology with early warning system to automatically active emergency braking. On slide 7, we evaluate the general advantage and challenge of HSR. The main advantage include high efficiency with an exponential low carbon footprint per passenger, making it highly sustainable along with world-class reliability. However, the critical challenges are the extremely high initial construction costs as well as a significant operational vulnerability to localized natural disasters like earthquake and typhoon. Now, let's move to our international case study on slide 8. Japan Shinkansen. For the background, it was launched in 1964 as the world pioneer high-speed rail network. Its network design used a completely dedicated standard gauge track network, which is entirely separate from conventional lines, and it is managed efficiently by regional GR company. On slide 9, we analyze the strain and problem of the Shinkansen system. Its core strain is an exceptional long-term safety record with zero passenger fatality from collision or derailments in over 50 years and an average annual delay of under 1 minute. On the other hand, the main problem are dealing with aging infrastructure that require expensive upgrade and strict noise pollution contraction in urban area. Next, let's focus on our local case study on slide 10. Taiwan High-Speed Rail launched in 2007. THR spanned 350 kilometers along Taiwan densely populated western corridor. It is operated under a unique BOT franchise, serving millions of business travel, weekend commuter, and holiday tourists weekly. On slide 11, we look at the specific local analysis for Taiwan. DHR stand out due to its exceptional safety record, high customer satisfaction, and seamless multimodal integration with local MRT network and bus. However, it faces critical local challenges, including land subsidence issue in South agricultural region and massive overcrowding during peak national holiday. Moving to slide 12, let's compare the technology and scale. Japan Shinkansen released entry on domestic technology across a massive interconnected network, meanwhile Taiwan THR uniquely integrate Japan train hardware with European signaling system on a single streamlined backbone corridor. On slide 13, we look at punctuality and safety logic. Both network maintain extraordinary scheduling reliability with average annual train delay strictly measured in seconds. For safety, both systems utilize advanced seismic sensor to trigger instant emergency braking during earthquake. To conclude my presentation, let's look at the final synthesis on slide 14. High-speed rail serve as a critical infrastructure backbone that drive sustainable regional logistics. This project highlights the adapting global technology to local geographical and societal constraints is the ultimate key to transit resilience. On slide 15, I have document my project reference and AI use. My academic reference were gathered from the Taiwan High-Speed Rail Corporation annual report and Central Japan Railway Company technical review. My AI statement confirmed that Gemini AI was used to brainstorm the structure outline, followed by my own extensive human verification. That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.